Hey everyone, Mike Mulligan here. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am a certified orientation and mobility specialist, and in this video I'm going to be giving you a demonstration of a very important orientation and mobility safety skill. All right, let's do this. So before I get into a quick demonstration here, I just wanted to mention that my safety tip, suggested by the title of this video, is to never walk backwards while traveling. This is really important, especially for safety, which the demonstrations will make a little more clear. But when you are walking backwards, you're no longer using your cane as a way of detecting obstacles, or if you're a guide dog user, the dog is unable to detect what obstacles are coming up. So when you're walking backwards, your cane won't be able to protect you or your dog. So if you need to return the way you came, instead of taking either a few steps backwards or walking backwards, I highly recommend turning around 90 degrees and then retracing your steps. So that way you are walking forward and now you have your cane or your dog in front of you to protect you. And the demonstration I'm going to show you here in just a second will make that more clear. So for my first example here, I am just going to be traveling down one single step along a little pathway. And first I'm going to demonstrate what it looks like to walk backwards and how that could be a safety issue. And then I'll show you what it looks like when you do it properly. So I'm taking a step down here, and now I'm realized I need to go back the way I just came, and I take a few steps backwards, and now my heels have just contacted the back of the steps and I stumbled a little bit. So that is a big safety issue because there's a chance of falling backwards when my heels find that stair. So now I'm going to show you an example of what it looks like to do this properly. So again, I'm walking, traveling down the step. And when I realize I need to turn around, I do a 90-degree turn and head back, and now my cane found the stair going up, and then I travel up the stair and continue going. So here's another quick example of why you should not walk backwards. And here in front of me I have a snail ride-along toy that's my daughter's, and I'm going to navigate around it using the cane. So I contacted it, found my way around it, but then I realized I need to go back the way I came. So this is what you should not do. I am walking backwards and my heels come in contact with the snail and I almost trip backwards over it. And this is an example of what you should do instead of walking backwards. So again, I am going to find the snail with the cane, navigate around it, and when I navigate around it and realize I need to turn around and go back the way I came, I stop, turn 90 degrees, go forward, my cane finds the snail, and navigate around the snail safely. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this little video demonstration was helpful on something you shouldn't do when traveling. Walking backwards can really be a safety hazard because you can trip and fall and injure yourself. So please feel free to share this video with others who might benefit from learning about this. And if you're feeling up for it, please subscribe to my channel here. And if you click that little bell icon, you'll be alerted when new videos become available. And have a wonderful day.